In this video, I will show you how to fix Samsung phone that will not connect to Wi-Fi, or why is your Samsung phone is not connecting to network using any Samsung Galaxy Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out software update. Tap on download and install. If you found any available update for your Samsung Galaxy phone, then download and install the updates. In my case, there is an update available. I am not going to update my phone right now because I am recording this video. But if you found any update for your device, then download and install the updates. After completing the process, check it out your problem is remains or has been gone. If this method not working for your device, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Open settings once again. Tap on developer options. Scroll down and find out tethering hardware acceleration. Turn on it if you found it's off. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, try to connect your phone with your Wi-Fi network. I hope your problem will be fixed. If it's still not working, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 3. Open your browser. Search for Google Play Services. Open the first link. If you found any available updates for your Google Play services, then install the updates from here. In my case, there is no updates available. After completing the installation process, try to connect your phone with your Wi-Fi network. I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem persists, then try the next method. Open settings once again. Search for reset. Tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap Reset settings. After completing the resetting process, go back from here. Tap on Connections. Tap on Wi-Fi. Select your available Wi-Fi network here. Enter your password correctly, then tap on Connect. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still persists, then the problem is probably with your router. Try another device to see if your router is fine. If not, call your network service provider and tell them about your problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.